reviewing my entire skincare collection. This is Hydrating Serums Part 1. Starting with Summer Fridays, which I like as more of a light gel moisturizer. It also has niacinamide and squalane. And then the Vichy Mineral 89. I've used this for years. It's a great basic hyaluronic acid serum. Also has minerals. And moving on to the CeraVe Hyaluronic Acid Serum. This is a great one for the skin barrier because it has ceramides. And lastly, the Inculist Hyaluronic Acid Serum. This is a great basic serum and it's affordable.